The 2026 Lincoln Navigator continues to represent the highest level of American luxury in the full-size SUV segment, combining elegant styling, powerful performance, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort into one impressive package. Lincoln has refined nearly every aspect of the Navigator to create an SUV that feels more premium, more sophisticated, and more capable than ever before. From the moment you see it, the Navigator commands attention with its massive proportions, bold chrome grille, signature LED lighting, sculpted body lines, and beautifully designed alloy wheels. Every detail has been carefully crafted to give the SUV a modern, yet timeless appearance that stands out in any environment, whether it is parked outside a luxury hotel, driving through busy city streets, or cruising effortlessly on the open highway. The updated exterior design maintains the Navigator's iconic identity while introducing subtle refinements that improve aerodynamics, enhance efficiency, and give the vehicle a cleaner and more confident look. Premium paint finishes and elegant chrome accents further enhance its upscale personality, making it one of the most recognizable luxury SUVs on the road today. As you step inside, the cabin immediately delivers an atmosphere of first-class luxury and craftsmanship. Premium leather upholstery covers nearly every seating surface, while genuine wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch materials create an interior that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Lincoln has paid incredible attention to detail, ensuring every switch, button, and surface reflect premium quality. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and extensive power adjustments, allowing drivers and passengers to find the perfect seating position for both short commutes and long-distance travel. The second-row captain's chairs provide limousine-like comfort with generous legroom and available heating and ventilation, while the spacious third row comfortably accommodates adults, making the Navigator one of the few luxury SUVs where every passenger enjoys premium seating. The quietness inside the cabin is especially impressive, thanks to enhanced sound insulation, acoustic glass, and active noise cancellation technology that work together to create an exceptionally peaceful driving experience. Technology is another area where the 2026 Lincoln Navigator truly shines. A massive panoramic digital display stretches elegantly across the dashboard, integrating the digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment system that delivers crisp graphics and lightning-fast response times. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing drivers to quickly access navigation, media, climate controls, vehicle settings, and connected services. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating the need for cables while seamlessly connecting smartphones to the vehicle. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, over-the-air software updates, and advanced voice recognition ensure the Navigator remains technologically advanced for years to come. Lincoln's premium Revel Ultima 3D audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, producing crystal-clear sound through strategically positioned speakers that immerse every passenger in an extraordinary listening experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator continues to rely on its highly capable twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and abundant torque for effortless acceleration. Despite its large size, the Navigator feels remarkably responsive, providing smooth and confident performance, whether merging onto highways, climbing steep hills, or overtaking slower traffic. The advanced 10-speed automatic transmission shifts almost imperceptibly, maximizing both power delivery and fuel efficiency. Buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive and Lincoln's intelligent four-wheel drive system, which continuously monitors road conditions to optimize traction and stability during rain, snow, or uneven terrain. The adaptive air suspension has been further refined, allowing the Navigator to glide smoothly over rough roads while maintaining excellent body control through corners. This combination of power and refinement creates a driving experience that feels relaxed, luxurious, and surprisingly agile for such a large SUV. Driving assistance technology has also reached a new level in the 2026 model. Lincoln equips the Navigator with an extensive suite of intelligent safety features designed to reduce driver workload and improve overall confidence behind the wheel. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality automatically maintains a safe distance from vehicles ahead, while lane-centering technology gently keeps the SUV positioned within its lane during highway travel. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, intersection assist, evasive steering assistance, and driver attention monitoring all work together to help prevent accidents before they occur. Lincoln's latest hands-free highway driving system allows semi-autonomous driving on compatible roads, making long-distance travel significantly more relaxing. High-definition surround-view cameras, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic parking assistance simplify maneuvering such a large vehicle in crowded urban environments. Practicality remains one of the Navigator's greatest strengths. The spacious cabin provides generous storage solutions throughout, including large door pockets, multiple cup holders, hidden compartments, and a massive center console capable of holding everyday essentials. Behind the third row, there is already substantial cargo space for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment, but folding the second and third rows creates an enormous flat load floor capable of accommodating furniture, bicycles, camping gear, or large shopping purchases. The power folding seats operate quickly and conveniently at the touch of a button, making it easy to adapt the interior for different needs.
Families will appreciate the abundance of legroom, headroom, and shoulder room across all 3 rows, while available rear seat entertainment screens help keep passengers entertained during long journeys. Climate comfort is equally impressive thanks to a multi-zone automatic climate control system that allows each passenger to enjoy personalized temperature settings. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere while offering stunning views for every occupant. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the luxurious mood during nighttime driving, while premium interior fragrances available through Lincoln's wellness features add another layer of sophistication to the ownership experience. Every detail inside the cabin has been designed to reduce stress and maximize comfort, reinforcing Lincoln's philosophy of creating peaceful and relaxing driving environments. Fuel economy has also improved through careful engineering refinements. Enhanced engine calibration, optimized aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and intelligent transmission programming help maximize efficiency without compromising the strong performance expected from a luxury SUV of this size. Multiple drive modes allow the driver to customize vehicle behavior according to road conditions or personal preference. Normal mode provides balanced everyday driving characteristics, while Excite mode sharpens throttle response and steering feel for a more engaging experience. Conserve mode prioritizes fuel efficiency. Slippery mode enhances stability on wet or icy roads. Deep conditions mode improves traction on loose surfaces such as sand or mud. And tow mode optimizes performance when pulling heavy trailers. Speaking of towing, the Navigator continues to offer outstanding towing capability, making it an excellent choice for owners who regularly transport boats, campers, horse trailers, or recreational equipment. Exterior personalization options include several sophisticated metallic paint colors, elegant monochromatic finishes, premium wheel designs, black appearance packages, and luxurious trim levels that allow buyers to tailor the Navigator according to their individual tastes. Each trim introduces additional premium materials, exclusive styling elements, and enhanced technology features, while maintaining the same commitment to quality and refinement. Lincoln's dedication to craftsmanship is evident throughout every aspect of the vehicle, from the precise stitching on the leather seats to the seamless integration of technology within the cabin. Reliability, comfort, and long-distance cruising ability continue to define the Navigator's reputation, making it one of the most desirable choices in the luxury SUV segment. Ultimately, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator successfully combines commanding presence, exceptional comfort, advanced safety, impressive capability, and cutting-edge technology into one complete luxury package. It delivers a driving experience that feels smooth, quiet, and effortlessly refined, while providing the practicality required by modern families and professionals alike. Whether serving as a daily commuter, executive transport, family road trip vehicle, or weekend adventure companion, the Navigator consistently exceeds expectations with its luxurious interior, powerful performance, advanced driver assistance systems, spacious cabin, premium craftsmanship, and sophisticated design. For buyers seeking an SUV that delivers prestige without sacrificing versatility, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator remains one of the finest full-size luxury SUVs available, proving once again that Lincoln understands how to blend comfort, elegance, innovation, and capability into a vehicle that makes every journey feel truly extraordinary.